doing a product demo, which is the experiment of how this product is gonna help and detox our body. So now I've got all the things that I need ready with me here. Then I've got here on my right, I've got rice, just a normal white rice that we bought from the shops. This rice will be representing, it will be here representing your body cells. This is the cells, the flesh, your body cells. It is there. Then I've got water here on the other side on my left. This water here is going to be representing your blood. This water represents your blood in your body. So what is happening now, I'm going to be throwing in this water, which is your blood, to put together your blood and the flesh, which is how the human body is made. So now with that, I've got my blueberry juice here. You can see the box is over here. Blueberry juice, high in vitamin C, is a very good antioxidant, which is what we're going to be using to help us detox and clean the body and see how these things happen. And then with that, I've got the iodine tincture here. This is the iodine. It is normally used for external use only. This is for medical use only, but it is also high as an oxidant. So we normally consume these things unknowingly. We consume food with a lot of chemicals that are added on the food. And today's lifestyle is what we have as food with chemicals. So now let's move on. This iodine is representing the food we eat. We've got the body here, which is your flesh, and your blood is all together. Then this here will be representing the food we consume. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to just throw a little bit of this on into the mixture there and put those things together. As you can see there, the color is already changing, which is why when we eat, we need to detox. We need to make sure that we clean our body, because that's what it looks like when we eat. We eat every day, every morning, every afternoon, every day, but what system do we use to clean our body? Most of us have never detoxed in our lives. This is a way of detoxing, making sure that we clean our body. Waking up every morning, we clean our body, the outside, but what do we do with the inside? So it's very important to understand that our body looks that dirty when we are not cleaning and detoxifying properly. Then I've got my spoon here that I'm going to be using to mix these things together, to put, because that's how it looks. When after eating, your body looks like this. Then when this happens now, that's why most of us, we eat, then after eating, we want to sleep. It's because your body will be tired, will be overloaded with toxins. So with that, we are putting together such a thing to show you that we are dirty. This is how we are dirty in the body. And blueberry juice is there as a solution to solve the problem of being dirty. It will energize you, because now your body is being offloaded from the toxins that you have in the body. It will gonna energize you because now the sugar levels are gonna be lowered. Energizing because the fat levels are gonna be lowered. So now let's go forward. This is I've got my blueberry juice sachet over here. This is gonna be the one that we're gonna be using to detoxify and clean the body there. But now I'm gonna just use my scissor and then open here and see what exactly is gonna be happening. With that, I'm gonna use also the spoon to take the mixture, to take the blueberry juice and just put in there and see what can we get and see how this thing is gonna work. How is it gonna help us? And then this powder there, I'm gonna throw it in there, and we see how is it gonna be helping. How is it gonna change the water, and how is it gonna be helping your body? This is exactly what we should be doing. This is exactly what our body will be looking like. Now I'm gonna be mixing this mixture that I've put here. I'm gonna be throwing in and mixing and see how everything will change. With only a split of a second, the color is changing. Slowly but surely the water is changing. It is because of what we have thrown inside the water. Blueberry juice is helping there. So by doing so, we are cleaning and making sure that that water, that poison, that toxins that we consume, they are being cleaned out by the blueberry juice. And there we have it. Our rice is back to white again. There we have it. So now, as we live, as we walk, as we breathe, we have a lot of toxins in our body. We've got a lot of things that are affecting our body. The human body needs food that is going to be clean. Every day we eat food. Is the food we are eating helping our body? In what way? Because we believe that food is the only thing that keeps a human being alive. And the food that we eat these days, ask yourself a question. Is the food you are eating helping your body? In what way? Because the food has to detoxify. The food has to enhance the functionality of your body organs. Your food, it has to prevent diseases for you.